Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman tayo para magbigay ng konting tips at kaalaman. So ngayon po, nandito tayo sa project namin sa Mandala West, Timberland, San Mateo. Sa mga client dyan na nagtatanong, importante po na magpagawa muna kayo ng plano. Always consult the right professional first. The architect or the engineer. Sila po magdi-design ng inyong dream house at sila rin po mag-specify ng mga materials na gagamitin. So, they will work according to your budget. At least be honest po kayo sa kanila. Tell them how much you really want and what are your space requirements. You have to tell them everything. Then kapag nagawa na po nila yan, then pwede niyo po silang ipabid sa mga contractors out there. So don't get just one, but get a couple more. Okay, maybe get some, maybe around 3 to the maximum para hindi naman kayo mahirapan mag-evaluate. Kasi ang idea lang naman po nito is magkano kayo comparison from apple to apple. Dahil ang pagbabasihan po nila is yung planong ginawa ni architect at ng engineer at pati na yung mga bill of materials at yung specification ng materials na ginamit. So there's no way na dapat magkakaiba ang presyo nila dahil iisa lang description na gagamitin. Iisa ang sukat, iisa ang design. By doing this, hindi po tayo nanghuhula, hindi po tayo nagkakaroon ng guesstimate at hindi po natin nilalagay sa alanganin ang budget ng project. As an architect, let them draw you a plan and give your space requirements exactly how you like it. Then tsaka nyo po sila i-gauge kung sino po pipiliin niyo. So yan po, isa architect Lito Carisma and saying always hire the right professionals. Sa arkitekto sigurado.